What's going on, guys? Just finished lunch with a good friend of mine down here in East Perth. Got a restaurant behind me, canals, houses, a beautiful spot out here. But I'm gonna just grab a seat over here and talk about today. I was going to talk about something else, but I just had such an inspiring conversation, a great conversation with my friend Marco. He's a real estate agent doing very well, was very successful. And our topic of the day for the last 2 hours, we've just talked non-stop about mindset, about morning rituals, about daily habits and organizing your day, planning your day, and essentially planning your life. And it was talking about, you know, all the struggles. I don't need to wake up, I can sleep in. I've made 2 home sales this month, I don't need to get up anymore. You know, you're just kind of lazying, and just, he had the freedom, he was earning enough, and he just got really lazy. And what happened is it started to really affect his life, and his mentor got him to start setting morning rituals and looking after his health, looking after his mind. So now he gets up at 6 o'clock every single morning. There's no sleeping in, there's no alcohol, there's no more coffee, there's no more junk food, and he's just really serving himself first. He's eating raw, healthy food every day. He's having water and hydrating first thing in the morning. He's meditating, he's writing his gratitudes every morning, he's setting his goals and intentions for the day. And this is a topic that this is something that I've been going through and implementing into my life as well over the past few weeks, especially because I've got big goals to earn 7 figures a year, to be a multi-million-dollar earner every single year. And you know, it was actually my girlfriend that pointed out, if you want to be a multi-million-dollar earner, you have to do the daily habits and rituals that multi-millionaires do, because they all peak performers, all highly successful people have these daily habits. They plan their days, they get up early, they do themselves first, they feed their mind, they feed their body, they work out, and they have their structure in place to achieve the results that they want to achieve. And it was just such a powerful topic and such a liberating conversation. We just talked for hours. That, you know what, I wish we'd recorded that conversation for the last 2 hours, because we were just bouncing off each other. And you know, this is something that I've just set up in my life as well, the exact same thing. So what Marco noticed is he was spending too much time in his business as a real estate agent. And by getting organized, setting clear intentions, writing out his goals, setting his morning rituals up and his daily habits, and getting everything in order, it's allowed him to step back and actually cut down his hours almost by half in real estate. Now, for most people that work in real estate, he doesn't work Saturday. And Saturday is usually the most busiest day for real estate. Real estate's not a really great market this year in Australia, in Perth especially. He's had his best year ever for the last 4 years. So what it goes to show, by organising his day and by paying attention and really getting on top of his morning rituals and practicing gratitudes and writing his goals and setting intentions and doing the right things every morning, it's allowed him to go and cut his hours down by half. And he's now working only about 30 to 40 hours a week instead of 60 to 80 hours a week. But he's generating more sales, he's more present in his workday, he has more energy, he feels more aligned, he feels more passionate and enthusiastic about his day, and he's also having more joyous times by seeing his friends, seeing his family. He's planning his life out better. And I thought, wow, what a powerful thing to share, what a powerful video to share for all my followers, that how much that can impact your life, that you don't necessarily, and it doesn't have to be related to online business, it can be related to anything that you're doing. He's a real estate agent, he has nothing to do with my online business, but he's a good friend of mine and he's very successful. He's just had his best month ever in his life, and he puts it all down to those morning rituals and doing the things that we don't normally do. We're like, yeah, I don't need to do that. For years I told myself I don't need to do that, but now I'm doing it, because it gets to the point where you don't get the results that you want until you do the things that are going to get you the result. And eventually you have that epiphany, you wake up to that, and then you realize, hey, just maybe these highly successful people know something that I don't. Just maybe I do have to implement these daily habits into my life in order to get the results that I am looking for. So not my 5 minutes, guys. I really hope you found value in this video, and you know, I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. I've got another meeting now with another friend who's a property developer, so that's another thing, surrounding yourself with the right people. These catch-ups are extremely important. Like Marco and I, we've just set up that this is going to be a monthly catch-up now, so we can bounce off each other, catch up on the past months, see if we've hit our past goals, and we keep on catching up and surrounding ourselves with each other, because it's so important to be around the people with similar goals, similar mindset, and you know, chasing the same dreams, goals and desires. So that's it for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, reply with anything else that you want to hear from me, and I will chat to you guys on the next video. Bye.